Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change WordPress password from cPanel. So go to your hosting website, whether it is Bluehost, GoDaddy, DreamHost, Hostinger or any other website. You need to log into that website. Now you need to find your hosting plan in orders. Okay, so once you find hosting and you will see something called manage web hosting and there will be a button to go to cPanel. You can also go to cPanel using your website if you know it how to do that. Okay, now I am going to click here, go to my cPanel. Okay, so once you are here you will see a similar screen just like this on your website, or maybe a little bit different, maybe a little bit modern depending upon the hosting website. Okay, so I have this screen here. Now you need to use the search bar and find WordPress. Okay, use the search bar and find WordPress, so you will see something screen just like this, WordPress. Okay, or if you are unable to find WordPress, then you need to search for Softaculous. Okay, then once you find it, you need to click on Softaculous and you will be inside it and you will find WordPress there. Okay, so once you find it, click on the WordPress. Now it will list all the installation at the bottom that you see right here. Okay, current installations. Now there are two ways to change the WordPress password. One is through the PHP myadmin that you will find in the cPanel on the back screen. Okay, now I don't want you to mess up with the PHP myadmin details because it's a little bit technical. Now for most of the users it's advised to go right from here. Suppose I want to change the password, admin password of this website that I have, bestgardeningtoolsguide.com. Then what you need to do is you need to click edit details in front of it. There must be an edit details option in the WordPress installation. Okay, you need to click here, then you will reach here. It will list all the details of this website. Now one of the things that you will see is the admin account right here. Okay, now you can enter a username here. If you remember your username, then enter that username, or you can actually enter a new username as well. Now enter the new password, right? Now I'm going to enter a new password here for the admin account. Okay, that's just it. Down, scroll down and click on save installation details here. You can see installation details were edited successfully. Now I'm going to my website and I will show you whether I am able to log in or not. WP admin. I will use my new password now. And you can see I just logged in successfully. So this is how you can change WordPress password. Now if you want to change the password of any other user, then you can use the users option at this left hand side options inside the WordPress dashboard. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.